Okay.
Yes. Do you have what else good?
Are you sure those are the things you want? You already have bunnies, and I bet we can find your 2 lost bunnies.
Well, I want some more. One to be the mom, and I want the other one to be big. Two mommies. Two babies.
What other things do you want? Do you want a scooter?
Yes, I would want a scooter and a Barbie car.
And a Barbie car? I don't know if you can get everything like that. You make...
And I would want a new blanket and a new toy and a new toy and a new doctor kit and a new computer. I want a real computer.
Anything else?
No. Well, I do want one of these. Could be sitting.
A paperclip?
Take a picture of this.
I am. You want a paperclip for Christmas?
Is this a paperclip?
Yes.
No. Oh, I do want a new book. Jaffa. Well, good thing he's hanging upstairs, so I can't get it to her.
What kind of book do you want?
A Dora book. And Jennifer, can you think you can ask Santa to give me a Dora book? She said yes.
Okay.
Yay.
Anything else you can think of?
New toilet paper, please. A video game?
For your Leapster?
No. On a video game set. You can say what don't run on batteries?
It doesn't run on batteries?
No.
What does it run on?
It runs on nothing.
What kind of game is it?
It's a Star Wars game.
Like John's? Is that what you're talking about? What, a game like John's? And what else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else. That's it, huh?